All right, welcome to another session. Sticker graphics, real quick. So we'll do what is called resource hunting in graphic design. Very, very important as a graphic designer. You need to know where to search for your resources to use for your different projects, whether a church flyer, whether a birthday flyer, whether a business flyer, whichever flyer you are making. You need to first have the resources set in place. So the first thing that like I've said in the group, is that you download an application called Pinterest and Behance. I'll show you both the applications and some of the few sites that you can download your resources. All right, so this is Pinterest. When you download Pinterest from Play Store or App Store yeah, App Store, yeah, it's there on App Store for those using iPhones. When you download this application, now you set in your all details, simple details, then it pops up like this. So the way it works is that the things you search are the things that are going to be coming. I think some of you already have this application in your phones. So the thing that you do now, for example, you want to search for church backgrounds, you can just go on this search bar and search church backgrounds design. Okay, cool. So it will search for itself. There are trillions, if not billions, backgrounds that you can use for your. So I would click on these three dots and say download image for my next project. This is cool. So let me say I want something that looks like an armor something. Say church background with armor. Something that should represent like armor. Then maybe I want to make an armor of war type of church fly. I think I've spelled armor wrong. Let me see. Backgrounds with a armor. Is it like this? I don't know. I've also spelled it wrong again. Okay, cool. So yeah, I think what I wanted to search for is not popping up, but let me give you an example. So these are all backgrounds you can choose. I was looking for something that looks like this, giving it a raw type of background. You know what I'm saying? I'll really create something wonderful. Maybe, for example, you can use this background like you have a program at church like the Lion of Judah. Yeah, guys. So you can use such type of background. Your background must speak of what you are creating. You understand that? So maybe you're creating something like doors should open. Doors are opening. You can use this one. It's showing two doors that are opening. Even this one, like doors are opening. You create backgrounds like this. This one you can use them if maybe you have prayer and fasting or it's just a worship service. Okay, cool. For example, let's look for maybe a church. Let me say location icon. Location. It will bring you a lot. You will just press like and say download. Calendar icon. You can choose from here. There's everything here actually. Anything you can search for is there. Anything. Even you search for Nyash, it's there. Why am I saying this? Sorry for that. Yeah. So everything is here, guys. You understand? Everything is here. Everything is here. Anything you can create. You can look for addresses like address icons, like the location icons. Different type of things. Okay, cool. So let's go on your Google Chrome or whichever search engine you are using. Then I'll show you one which is very common site for graphic designers most dot www.freepik.com. Very, very powerful. Very, very powerful. Okay. My network is bad. You can see on top there are just two bars. Two bars. The network is bad here. Okay, so when you open Freepik, it will for the first time it will show you like you have to put in your Gmail account and all those things. Simple steps. They need to bring you to this. It's a very, very great site for designers. You just have to know this one. So now, yeah, for example, I want to download a 3D text effect. A 3D text effect. I'll just use this site and say maybe 3D text effects. 3D text effect and search there. So it will bring me different type of 3D text effects. Then put PSD at the end to mean editable. Something that I can re-edit if I want to make another one out of it. So there are a lot of them. A lot of them. So when you see something that has a king something premium sign on top, it means it's not free. You have to purchase it by subscribing or by paying, or maybe making some payments for you to download these ones that are premium. But excuse me, but I think I will be able to share with you how to download premium resources for free. So you can also search for what else, search backgrounds, search backgrounds. The good part about this site is that things are of very high quality. Of very high quality. So they also search cool search backgrounds here that you can download. So all the time when you're searching for 3D text effects, make sure you add PSD at the end, so that I'll explain, but it means something that is editable. Have I written 3D text effect? I'm supposed to write 3D text effect PSD. Yeah, cool. So the other site I want to show you is called, this one you can download PNG files, as I explained yesterday. PNG files are files that don't have a background. So this one is very powerful. It's called www.png.tree.com. You can download some free, very nice PNG files for free on this application. So it does bring me, sorry for these things, I don't know. Cool. It has already brought me here because I already signed in. Signing in is free. So you will find a lot of things here. So let me say calendar icon. Calendar icon. Okay, so it will bring you very different types of calendar icons. Then you're able to download them for free without a background. Let me just say cake. Maybe you want to make a flyer for a cake flyer and you want your some resources. It will bring you different PNG cakes with very high quality. Very high quality. Okay, cool. Let me show you what Behance means, especially when you're looking for an inspiration. I'll explain about inspiration. So, in just a nutshell, an inspiration is something where you copy, not really like copying, but getting an idea of the skill from a design that is already made. So, if you want to look for an inspiration somewhere, an inspiration that you want to use to copy an idea of what was made to push it into your design, this is a best site for those things. For example, I want to make this skin care flyer. I'll just go here and download this, and I'll be copying, not really like copying, but getting the idea of how it was made to transfer it to my design. So here you just do that, and you're able to get this image and push it to your design and try to get the concept of how they designed this to make your own ideas, and just make this as an inspiration. I'll explain, I think, tomorrow about inspirations So cool. This is Behance, guys. You can use it on the site or direct download the app for Behance. I think the other sites I'll just share with you. I'll just type them because they are a lot. They are a lot. They are a lot, guys. So church flyer, you can search for church flyers. Then you get some good inspirations. Good inspirations like this one. I think I've created this before. I've created this one before. Cool. So yeah, guys, this is about resource hunting. So don't worry about these cool 3D text effects that you see around. I'm going to show you how they are made. For example, this praise night here. Don't worry. It's like, how is it this made? It's very simple. Very simple. This praise night text effect. I'll show you how it is made tomorrow. That's our lesson. It's been TK Graphics. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. I'm out.